The skill of stitching for doctor and cobbler are the same, but charges for stitching are different because the patient's life is more important than shoes or slippers. Similarly, we value our client's product or website and treat it like patient, not slippers. Toupto Technologies Pvt Limited offers best annual maintenance contract service in any platform of your website. What is website maintenance? Think of it as painting your house. The more attractive it is, the more attention and visitors it will get. Some of you might think that the website will keep running once you develop it. However, based on changing trends, it requires daily updation. Good regular maintenance will also keep visitors coming back. What we include in AMC: content updates and graphic design support, backend supports, backup every month, compress images to faster the loading of your site, meta name and description updates for SEO, Google search results, quick update on call, speed caching of website, maintaining site health each month, server-side fixing and bug fixing, code module updates with latest server OS, security fixing and other services like maintain a mobile responsive page. We have all types of AMC packages starting from basic package for small businesses and organizations to platinum package for large organizations. We provide IT services like mobile development, web development, UI, UX design and prototyping, digital marketing, branding, project management and more. Our founders and team members have 10+ years of industry experience and have held senior positions in MNC companies. Toupto Technologies Pvt Limited is your one-stop solution for all your IT needs. Our India office: A407 Ganesh Glory 11 near BSNL office, Jagatpur, Gota, Ahmedabad 382480. For any more information you might need, email us on info@toupto.com.